Hello everybody! Well, we have got another kind of problem here, and this problem involves multiplication as well, but it's not very easy to see why, and that's what I want you to know by the end of this video. Why would a problem like this, where we have to make combinations of different things, why would that be a multiplication, a times problem? So let's read the problem. I can see that I've got a yellow t-shirt. Can you see that? Here. I've got blue t-shirt and a purple t-shirt. How many different combinations of a t-shirt and shorts can you make? What does that mean? What does that word combinations mean? Well, it means how many different outfits can you make. So, for example, if I start with the yellow t-shirt, I could have yellow t-shirt and red shorts. I could have yellow t-shirt and black shorts. I could have purple t-shirt and red shorts. Do you see? How many different combinations? But the real question for something like this, when we start working it out, is this thing that I've written up at the top here. How can you be sure to find all of the combinations? We don't want to miss one out. There might be quite a few. So I'm going to suggest that in this lesson, in this video, we try to work using this idea of being systematic, or working systematically. And it means using a system. So I'm going to start, and I've drawn it on already, with the yellow t-shirt. And instead of just then going straight onto the blue t-shirt, I'm going to make sure that I've got all the combinations for the yellow t-shirt. So there we are, drawn 1 and 2. Yellow and red, yellow and black shorts. Well, I found all the combinations for the yellow t-shirt, and that's 2 combinations which have got the yellow t-shirt on top. Now, what should I do next? Should I just jump onto the purple t-shirt? No, because I want to use a system. I want to go little step by little step. I'm not going to jump straight onto that. I'm going to look at the blue t-shirt. That's the next one, so I'm going to be systematic. The blue t-shirt on top, I can have blue t-shirt and red shorts, blue t-shirt and black shorts. So I'm noticing now 2 for the yellow t-shirt, 2 combinations with the blue t-shirt. And I'm going to do the same again for the purple t-shirt. So 1, purple and red, 2, purple and black. So I'm working out for each top how many combinations. I'm seeing what the combinations are. I'm writing down 2 combinations starting with the yellow, 2 combinations starting with the blue, 2 combinations starting with the purple t-shirt. So now my question is it starting to look like a multiplication problem? Well, I hope so, because we make 2 outfits with the yellow t-shirt, and then, do you remember how did it work? 2 for the yellow t-shirt, 2 for the blue t-shirt, and then 2 with the purple t-shirt. Aha! I'm noticing the same number coming up each time. So, can you see why this problem uses multiplication? Well, I can, because all the combinations here, it's 2, 2. It's 2, add 2, add 2. And I know that adding the same number means I can use multiplication to see how many combinations, how many possibilities altogether. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3 2's. 3 times 2 equals 6. Interesting. it's really 3 t-shirts. Perhaps we'll write it over here. 3 t-shirts. I'll write the t-shirts under the 3. 3 t-shirts times 2, and the 2 here means shorts, doesn't it? Whoops. 3 t-shirt possibilities, 2 short possibilities, makes 6. 6 what? 6. And I could use the word connections for the arrows. That connects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 connections. Oh, 6. Oh, gone a bit wobbly. 6 combinations. Sorry, everyone. 6 combinations. Now, let's see. Does it look like that on the next page? Yes. When we can use multiplication for a problem like this because each thing we start with is making the same number of connections, the same number of possible combinations. We'll do one more. Now imagine we work in a sandwich shop or a restaurant or a cafe. Well, how many different sandwiches can we make? Well, look, we've got, how many kinds of bread have we got? We've got white bread, brown bread, granary rolls. So the customers can choose white bread. What could they put in their white bread? Do you want to stop the video now and have a go? Have a go. Imagine drawing it. Maybe you could get a piece of paper and draw it. Give it a go. Okay. Well, starting with the white bread, what was that word again? It began with an S. We want to be systematic. We want to be systematic. We want to use a system. Little step by little step, everything this time. White bread could be white bread and cheese. Shall we go straight down to brown bread? No. Keep going. Find all the possibilities for the white bread. White bread and Nutella. I'm sure none of you like Nutella, but hey ho. Just joking. So white bread and cheese, white bread and Nutella, white bread and tuna mayo. How many combinations for white bread? 3, because there's white bread and 3 different fillings. 1, 2, 3. 3. What will it be with the brown bread? What do you think? Well, if we draw it, we'll see. Brown bread, cheese, brown bread and Nutella, brown bread and tuna mayo. I've drawn 1, 2, 3. Another 3. Aha. What about the granary rolls? Can you see what it's going to be? Well, the granary rolls have only 3 possible fillings. Cheese, Nutella, and tuna mayonnaise. So, can you see? If we use a system, we will see that each time we are generating the same number. So, I wonder what multiplication it is. Well, it's the same number how many times? Well, I can see the number that is the same each time is 3. 3, 3, 3. How many 3s? 3 times 3. 3 kinds of bread times 3 fillings will make 9. How many different sandwiches can you make? 9 different sandwiches. How many combinations could you make if you also had pita bread to use? Well, that would be 4 kinds of bread, but still 3 fillings. 4 times 3 would be 12. 12 combinations if we have pita bread. because the pita bread could be filled with 3 different things, another 3. So, I hope that makes sense. You will find on the worksheet and in Google Classroom, you will find questions like this about making sandwiches, like brown bread wraps, cheese, and the king of sandwiches, the jam sandwich. And then more questions, but now questions where we might need to make combinations of children. We need to put children into pairs, 2s, and menus. So that's the work for today. So I hope that it will make sense to you. The word that I want us to think about is systematic. Understanding that when we work systematically, we can see that we are making each time the same number of connections or combinations. And so, it's multiplication. Looking forward to seeing all your work, everyone. Bye!